Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. Today, I'm going to show you how to solve a problem, repair it yourself, when you've been filming and suddenly your camera jams up. You put the Bolex in a film bag, remove it from the Bolex body, put it into the canister, go back and test your Bolex, and you find out it won't work properly. So, I'm going to save you a lot of money here, teach you how to do the repair yourself, and save you some money in shipping. The problem generally lies right here in the film gate area under this plate. So, first we got to remove the pressure plate. And for those of you who don't know, it unscrews and does so to the left. Pull it straight up right here. Then start unscrewing it to the left. This takes a little while, my apologies. There we go. And it just lifts straight up. I'll put that into my egg tray off to the side. Now, you have two micro screws in this plate. Alright, you need your micro screwdriver set, and they are flatheads, so let's get started. So the problem generally relies here with the Filmclaw and the pen. You may have film that you've had to take scissors and cut away and remove it, and it has bent this portion of the Filmclaw and this portion of the Filmclaw. You want to make sure that the pin on the end of this Filmclaw can get inside of this little elongated hole. If you look very closely right there, because that, in this part of the Filmclaw, has a pin at the end, has a little slot. You can look at the aluminum and see where it's been traveling. Both parts of the Filmclaw advancing the film through. This one, the metal, aluminum rather, will have wear and tear where the claw's been doing its work. This part of the Filmclaw again needs to be inside that elongated hole. You can actually take the pencil and you can see how it can be moved. Both of them. Simply take your pair of tweezers, bend each one up or down until this pin meets inside of the hole, and this one meets inside of this little path right here where the wear and tear is. Okay? So essentially, that's it. Hope this repair has helped you and saves you lots of money and time. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel, Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. Thanks a lot. See ya.